Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm Komal and today I'm gonna show you this easy fishtail braided bun hairstyle. So let's get started. So I'm going to start by middle parting my hair. Now take a small portion of hair from both the sides. Now take a small piece of hair from the left side and cross it to the right side. Now take a small piece of hair from the right side and cross it to the left side. And this is how you start braiding. Now take a small piece of hair from the rest of the hair and cross it to the right side. And do the same process on the other side. You have to take a very small strand to create a fishtail braid. And do this process till you reach the end.